In this lab, we'll be determining the specific heat capacity of a metal cylinder. We begin by taking the mass of the cylinder. Next, we'll heat water on a hot plate to boiling. The exact amount of water isn't important. Now we'll make the calorimeter, which is comprised of a styrofoam cup with the bottom third of another cup inverted and set on top. The top cup has 2 holes punched in it. We'll measure out 100 milliliters of water and take the initial temperature of this water. When both of these items are approximately the same height, we'll submerge them in the boiling water. The temperature is now at 89 degrees Celsius, which will be the initial temperature of the metal. Now we'll cut off or untie the string and place the heated cylinder into the calorimeter containing the 100 milliliters of water. By watching how the temperature of the water rises, we can calculate the specific heat of the metal.